In the world of industrial operations, reliability is the heartbeat of productivity, but every plant faces its challenges. Misalignment, lubrication issues, and vibration are just a few problems that can lead to equipment failures, often impacting or indicated by mechanical seals, the critical components underpinning your operations reliability. Our Reliability Solutions Group collaborates with you, gathering essential data to identify areas for improvement. With FastTrack, our advanced data visualization tool, we bring clarity to complex plant data, identifying bad actors, and implementing a program to enhance plant reliability and minimize future risks. 4 pillars are key to our reliability solutions: expert analysis, repairs and upgrades for your mechanical seals, pump system assessments to identify areas for improvement, support system optimizations to improve seal life, and our advanced predictive services to identify and correct issues on the entire system. Our approach is hands-on and proactive. Through regional or site-based service centers, we provide timely seal repairs and critical upgrades to seals and systems. Our advanced predictive services, including vibration monitoring, thermography, motion amplification, and more, proactively address potential issues. This strategy boosts plant reliability and ensures continuous operational improvements and increased uptime. With Flexaseal, you gain more than exceptional mechanical seals and services. You gain a partnership dedicated to your plant's long-term success and reliability.